Another car show, Bulverde, 2025, video number 2. This is my friend's Mustang, 2015. She has it all dressed up. I'm making a few videos today. Please check them out. That's my friends in the background there. I figured I'll probably have 5 or 6 videos today. All are probably about 5 or 6 minutes. Check them all out.
It looks really nice.
Beautiful old truck.
You weren't even 15. David goes,
Excuse me? Some engine's got a blower on it. Wonder what size carburetor that is. Oof. Beautiful old Corvette. I like the old Corvettes much better than the new ones, personally. They seem to have a little bit more style and pizzazz in them. Another 68 Mustang. Or first one I've seen today. And it's in that emerald green. The GT350 Mustang. Shelby. Like I said, there's going to be a few videos today. No, it's alright, guys. Don't worry.
Here, looks like you're circling it.
Oof. Man, I like this car.
So it was bumping back and forth, and the car was maybe
Shelby GTS.
okay.
2019.
Well, that was going fast for me.
Gosh. Gorgeous car.
Well,
You like the color combo? I'd hate to see what it cost.
you could see green. But yeah,
at 130.
and bear in mind, I was Wreck of the Month Club president for many years running, so I didn't trust myself for very long.
Hello, how are you?
And that's this is the racing blue or the grabber.
Grappa Blue Mach 1.
Oh yeah, just single stage.
That horn you heard a couple minutes ago came from this old classic.
I can see it. I bought this. It's gorgeous.
1928 Model A.
Yeah, you did the painting on that.
Seems to be a lot of cars here this week. Or this year, I should say. Last year they had another car show going on someplace else, so they didn't have as many cars.
So you send the car to them and they put it
But
on.
this year, it looks like a lot of cars came here. I recognize a few of the people. See at least half dozen people that I know. I'm going to stop this video in a minute or so and start up a new one. I don't want them to go too long. I hope you enjoy looking at the old cars.
Like this one's got a V6.
Another beautiful Mustang. I do. Wow. You know, the lines of the old cars really have much better flair than the cars nowadays. I believe that's a 55 Chevy. Is it a 55? Nope, it's a 56. Well, I'm going to stop it on this one and then I'll start a new one. Please check out the rest of my videos. Check out last year's car show if you want, from Bulverde. Thank you much, and if you like, please tell me. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a good day.